Hey everybody, I'm here to talk you through the assignments you'll be completing during the week of March 1st through March 5th in your U.S. history class. Our objectives this week: I can use evidence to show the development of political parties in the historic and current world, and I can evaluate conditions that led to social and political reform movements. The success criteria for this week's pretty straightforward. You're going to be completing pages 8 through 19 in your interactive notebook, and also the vocabulary on pages 40 to 41. On Monday, we are going to be going through this Nearpod talking about the evolution of political parties. In your Unit 5 interactive notebook, this starts on page 10. Now, don't worry about pages 8 and 9. You'll be completing these on Tuesday. It's a little out of order, but for Monday, you're starting on page 10. And you're going to go through the Nearpod and fill out these notes. Pretty straightforward. On Tuesday, that's when we're going to learn about the current political parties. First, you'll take a quiz. So if you're absent, you can click right here and take the quiz. If you can't access it, send your teacher an email. Then I'm going to go to this page right here. We have the video and the article and questions here, and read through them and fill out a Venn diagram showing the differences and any similarities between the Democrats and Republicans. You're then going to fill out slide 9, which compares the first political parties, which you learned about last week, to the current political parties. Which of the first is most similar to which of the current? And then which side, from what you know so far, do you think you agree with more, and why? So that is for Tuesday. On Wednesday, we are going to be doing a jigsaw. And so you need to pick one of the sections starting on page 12 of mental institution reform, prison reform, religious reform, or education reform. You choose one of these areas and use the page, social reform jigsaw, to get the information you need to answer the questions. Once you have answered all those questions, you're going to post your findings on this Padlet. And then you'll use your classmates. They will have stuff filled out here. You will use your classmates' information to fill out the remainder of the sections on pages 12 and 13 in your interactive notebook. On Thursday, we'll be taking the Unit 5 Standard 2 quiz. This unit is very short, so the quizzes are quite close together. If you cannot access it or there's a code, please contact your teacher. You're going to use all the text and information from slides 14 to 17. We're looking at Irish immigration today. You're going to use this information on those 4 slides right there to fill out slides 18 and 19. And finally, on your Friday activity is to complete the Unit 5 vocabulary. The PowerPoint's right here, embedded in this page. In your interactive notebook, you're going to go all the way to the bottom here, pick slides 40 and 41 is what you'll use to fill out. You'll fill this out using this PowerPoint. As always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to myself or Ms. Crandall, and we'd be happy to help.